Hi, my name is Binh, and today I would like to present to you the output of the TASD 9.2D as the user interface. Okay, before I show you my tool, so I will walk you through the my mini project first. So in the mini project, I choose the Airbnb as my company to build the database for. So the database is mainly designed to store the review, listing, and host data. So in the scope of the task, I would like to create a tool to let the user enter the listing data into the database. So as you can see here, uh, listing and host have the relationship altogether and via the host ID. So we are in the scenario that we build the internal tool to the staff can enter the data in. So probably we need to have some record in host table. So okay, I will walk you through. I would use the Python would use the building database as a SQLite tree at our database. So that basically the way I generate a table. First, I create an empty table. I create the query as on the screen you can see here, listing table, and we create the hot table here, and I also insert some record on it. Okay, so we directly jump into the database. Okay, let me run it first. Sorry. All right, we are good. We have generated database, the empty database, the database with empty table, listing and host. Now we'll generate the tune. Okay, now we can see the tune here. So you can see on the left hand side to show the information, the background information to let the user know, uh, what the form is used for. And on the right hand side, we have the field and the entry, the input data where the user can input data in it. Basically, it's all the attribute in the listen table. And we have two buttons here, insert and add. Insert is for validating the data, whether the data is aligned with the constraint of the database table or not. Whenever everything is clean and valid. So the user would press the add button to let the data to grant the query insert to into the data listing table. Okay, so yeah, this is the code. Basically, the code. This is the code to generate a UI, and this is the function which actually happen when you press the insert button. So basically, we validate through every single attribute to make sure everything is aligned with the constraint with that we have defined in the database before. And when the when the user press the use add button, so this is what really happened. We run the query insert into the listing. Yeah. Okay, so I will show you the demo for the UI, how it uses. Okay, first let me run to check the database before we actually run. You can see here, yeah, the result is actually empty. Empty database, listen database. So I would run two trial. The first one is unsuccessfully. So because the user entered the wrong host ID which doesn't exist in the host table. So the UI should be return the error to let the user know what happened. Okay, let me try it. User ID 301 485 Westminster, London. Okay, let me copy all the field here. It not be take much time. 1 and 220. Okay, let's insert it. So, okay, we have the error here. Host ID doesn't exist in the host table. Yeah. Okay, and we need to re-enter it into the right host ID. It's the right host ID 101, which exists in the host table. So everything done here, everything is valid, and then we add to the database. Add it successfully. Yeah, this is the first record. Let me try in the second scenario where the user forgot to enter the list ID, which actually the primary key in the list table. So this not allowed to enter the database, right? So let me try it. Okay, we missing it. Okay, Lee Mirage Paris. I'm sorry. Sorry, lost. Okay, enter time. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see what happened. Listen ID cannot be known. Yes, of course, cannot be known. So let me try to enter it. 302. Okay, insert it. Everything is valid. And then I press the add button. So insert the database successfully. Okay, all right. Let me check on the database whether it was successfully inserted or not. Let me run the query to select all the record from the listing table again. And sorry, I need to ease it to form. Yeah. All right. As you can see here, we successfully add two records in the listening table. So actually we will say that the tuning worked very good on validated data to ensure everything is clean and aligned with the database constraint before we input into the table, into the listening table. And this is finish my presentation for today. Yeah, thank you for your for your time to listen my presentation.